Hello, Eric Jarvis back here again today with something a little different. Not a clothing, not a sneaker, but just an unboxing of stuff from a friend that I got from back home. Thank you again, Vince. You're the best. Okay, packing. A lot of wrapping paper. Oh my god. So this is from where I was born and raised in Rochester, New York. This is Genesee Brewery beer. See that? That's awesome. That's one. Let's keep breaking into this bad boy. Number two. Number three. It's like, you don't understand, when you move away from where you're born and raised and that's all you know all your life and you've had that beer, when you get to have a beer from where you were born and raised, it's like having home. You don't understand. Especially when I moved away, they came out with tons of different kinds of good beers and I was used to the regular same old. But let's keep breaking into this. And do remember, if you do drink responsibly. You must be 21 and all that good shit. Get it, got it good. I am so excited. I got all these. He sent me 6 different beers. That's awesome. Thanks again to my friend Vince from Spencerport, New York, from Rochester, New York, 585. Everybody, you have a great day. Keep a smile on your face. The same sneaker time, same sneaker channel, and I'll talk to you when I can.